And welcome back to Eli, Laura, and Race. Today, I'll be unwrapping my new... Hi friends, and welcome back to Eli, Laura, and Race. Today, I'll be unwrapping my new wind-up Elizabeth, and please like the whole video for me. So here's Elizabeth. As you can see, she is a wind-up. Let me show you. So let me show you to Elizabeth. As you can see, she has a... what's this called? She's a pickup truck. Okay, as you can see. She has two doors, like this. So these are windows, I believe. So let me show you the voice of Elizabeth.
Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep. So you're the little puffer that's broken down. That would be vintage steam truck. And I haven't much time to get to your coupling rods. Just catching my breath. And next time, don't be so careless. Oh, it's you. Have you learned to drive properly yet? I know. Oh, my dear. It looks like Jack Frost really got you. What a waste of time. Well, I couldn't possibly help you. I'm a quarry truck. I am a special kind of truck. I can haul. Well, of course I can pull. Well, of course. I know. Stop that nonsense, Duncan.
Stuff and nonsense? You can't be a reliable engine if you can't get through the snow. Apparently not reliable enough. Sir Topham Hatt's counting on me. I mustn't be late. Oh, thank you, Thomas. You and I are both reliable. I can take you as far as the flour mill. There you are, young man. Trevor will take you from here. Not if you ask like that. Why, certainly. I'll get your track cleared in no time. Where's this new engine? Oh, aren't you going to introduce me to your new friend? How jolly. Be careful with that tall boat. It's a very blustery day. Slow down.
Do you...
And that is Elizabeth the Vintage Quarry Truck. Thank you for watching.